Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see if Spotify can work offline and how to do it. So yes, but with some limits. Firstly, download your playlists, albums or podcasts on the device. Switch that device to offline mode. Just go to the three dots, File, then Offline Mode on PC, or Home, Settings, then Playback, then Toggle Offline on Android. Now you can listen offline while someone else streams on that same account. If all devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, you can switch playback seamlessly between them, but still only one active stream at a time. And if you want multiple people streaming at the same time, upgrade to Spotify Premium Duo for 2 users or family up to 6 users. Just note that only one device can stream online at once per single premium account, and offline mode works like a workaround since Spotify thinks you're not online. Also, for simultaneous streaming, you'll need duo or family plans. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.